So I've decided to do that of a short video and that of a longer video. Um, of course, like I said to you before, I didn't really track any of the anything until that of like August when things were moving into the fear. I totally missed that of the extreme fear. I was into the fear, and that would have been like August 15th or something like that. Um, uh, see, is like right in here, right? And I think it was right down here, but I knew that the overall market was up. So it looked to me like it was going to do a W formation, and it did in fact do a W formation. I nailed that like perfection. That just totally did it. It's awesome. You just know after time, right? You just know you follow through with other things, and after been doing this for so long that you just know. And I nailed it. If you look back on my other fear and greed index videos since that of August, you'll know that it's not just me saying it. It's all documented. It's all videotaped. The whole bit. It's all there, right? So it's no BS story about it. Anyway, I would have gotten out if I would have been in it from that of, I think it was around August here. I predicted all of the above, right? And then I said, well, every month is different, and it is, right? You either go up, down, sideways, or whatever, right? And then I said it was getting really toppy, and then that whole thing in the Middle East happened again. Well, I would have been getting it out at that point. I think it was like October 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or whatever, right? And again, once more, timing was good because things are following, right? And they're right there, right now, at that 24th. Trying to get things a little more. Okay, 5.26. So it's gone from 8.42 to this, right? So that's all documented here. So now I have a good trending feature of where everything's going, right? So I thought, I have a good shot at like killing this again, even more, because just sometimes you need a break from trading. And I needed a break from trading. And not only that, but it's like when you're at a certain level of trading and you're doing 1 minute charts and things are really moving and you're doing NASDAQ stocks and you're, 50 to 100 to 500 million and things are really moving, that can be a little stressful, right? So that's another contributing factor. And I took it with like 6 months off. I tried to trade in like June, and I felt like, holy cow, like my heart was pounding, and I was sweating, and I was moving a mouse. So it's like, yeah, I'm going to give myself a heart attack. So that was the end of that in June, but I am most definitely going to get back into it in that of 2025, just for all my long stocks that I went long with, and I tripled my money in like 9.5 months. And that was just me, picking out the right stocks, and yeah, it's crazy. So I will be getting back into that in 2025, and of course I will be day trading until I get enough money, up and in, so that I can do long and short. That's my goal. So, again, once more, here is that of the VIX, and you can see that these lines are now crossing, right? So whenever the things start crossing, that is the top of the W, that is W formation, and is going to go up. I think it will. I think things will really start going upwards, and then they'll go back down, right? The overall trend in the market is, of course, up, right? There's the 125-day moving average. It's up. Everything's up. Everything has not passed this one line and dropped and just free fall, right? That's when it's, that things are going south, not north. And things have moved back. So I would have got into that of here in August and got out and like about here and like 1st or 2nd of October or whatever I said, and then things moving back. So, I nailed that one without no charts or nothing, just knowing that, things are getting toppy. And when things get toppy, you know what happens, right? So that's just, it's all about timing, right? And then for me to do that without having any of this here, looking at anything like that, like I was pretty happy with myself. I said, you know what, self, you really still know what you're doing. And yeah, it's good. Now I'm really, getting fired up because 2025 spells new opportunities, right? It really does. So I'm really tracking stuff, and I'll rinse and repeat just like I did before. That is my goal, my rinse and repeat goal. So I will be really watching that of this right here, right? This is the big numbers, right? That tracks everything, and I know things will fall. Things will fall, but their overall market is up, so we just gotta wait for them to, turn around and do something like this, hit the bottom, right, and then start going back up. And I think it will. It depends on the election. All depends on the election, right? And if the Greens get in, it will be time to adjust your portfolio. That's no doubt about it in my mind. But honestly, I really think that Donald Trump will get back in. Like, I just really think it will happen. And if Maggie Simpson gets in because the Simpsons predicted that Camilla's going to get in, then yeah, okay, whatever. Have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. I try to keep politics out of this thing. Like this I really do. I just really tired of politics. Really, really am. And especially in Canada, like it's yeah, I don't even want to talk about that one. Anyway, have yourselves a very good day. Subscribe for way more. I'll keep my mind on that of the markets, but you can't say that election of the U.S. president doesn't affect the market, because it does. Very much so does. So I'll keep you all posted here. This is my long form video, and I will keep track of the numbers. And I do have a video on how I do this specifically, so you can watch that video. Ciao for now, folks, and over and out. Ciao for now.